Hello everyone. So in this video we will cover JSON Server module. So basically JSON Server module is used for testing purpose APIs. So basically what Server will do, it will provide a fake REST API with zero coding in less than 30 seconds. So basically it is used for testing purpose. So now let's go to documentation. So you can simply copy this command for installation of JSON server. So I will copy this command and go to VS Code. Let's just paste it and enter. Now you have to make a db.json file with some fake data. So now let's go to VS Code. Installation is done. Now let's just make new file. Name is db.json. Oh, actually I misspelled it. db.json. Okay, now I will enter fake data. I have already some of the fake data. I will just copy paste. So you can see here I have entered some fake data. Now we will look at this start JSON server command. So we just have to copy this command and paste it in terminal. So it will allow us to run our JSON server. So you can see here it will provide us a link which have our data. A fake data is here. You can see here we have 5 number of data. You can cross check with this db.json file. You can see here. Let's cross check. You can see here 5 data. First one is NAS 2021 1. So you can see same data is hosted here, and this is our URL. So we can fetch this data from this URL. So let's check with axios get method. So we are in my VS Code. Now let's just import axios from axios. Also we need use effect and use state hook. Now let's make a function fetch data which help us to fetch all the data. Now call axios.get, and I will provide here URL which will help us to get the data from the URL. Now then method then will provide us a response. So let's just console our response dot data, and also we will catch the error. So let's just console our error right now, and let's call this function on use effect. So let's call this function fetch data for one time. Now let's check output. So you can see here in output we have 5 number of data. First one is NAS, second one is MC square. You can see here. Also you can see here. So this 5 data is fetched from here to our React app. So we will do a post put and delete operation in further videos. So that's why we have made this API for testing purpose of put, delete and patch request and also post request. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.